This is that lipstick that when you smile, your smile is going to hit. Okay, guys, so this new brand, by the way, fancy name, Denoir Cosmetics, is a new Black-owned beauty brand. Yes, not only is it Black-owned, but it's a clean beauty brand for women of color. But of course, you can wear it whoever you are. And the thought and design was inspired for women of color. It also passed the Credo's Clean Beauty Standard, which is a very strict standard in retail today. It's also sustainable and vegan, so it's overall a clean line with beautiful bold colors, starting out with 4 lipsticks in total. The packaging is so pretty. This is the packaging. It is so pretty. It's so luxe. The box also is magnetic closure. Kind of reminds me of like a small luxury shoebox or something like that. So cute. And then you open it and it's this really beautiful little packaging. She has her name at the top. This is really nice for a new brand, right? She has the lipsticks in here. The packaging, super sleek, very professional, very mature, so pretty. These are like lipsticks that belong in the 90s, because the 90s era is untouchable. So beautiful. I'm gonna grab some lip liners with mine. You can wear these without a lip liner because the color and the pigment in these lipsticks are really good, so you can actually wear them without a lip liner. First swatch is Play Hard. Definitely is going to be like more of that metallic color. It has like some shimmers in it. Oh, this is a color that Rihanna would wear. You know what I'm saying? This is a color that you would see on Rihanna. So I'm going to take just a Huda Beauty lip liner, and I'm going to be lining my lips. I feel like I should do this one last because this lip liner stains. Gives my lips more definition, so I like to line my lips. I feel like it looks better. The color in these lipsticks are really consistent, so it won't change the color. My lips will have just more definition because the formula in here is really good. My thoughts on this lipstick, just from applying it on, even though it's a demi matte, it's super hydrating. You do not have to worry about having a drying lipstick. The color is consistent, so is the payoff, and the formula is really good. The formula is really good. It feels really good on your lips. Like, you won't know you have anything on unless you do like this. And it's not moving. Really nice color payoff. This is Play Hard, which is the demi matte formula. Well, demi matte finish. Sorry. Lip videos, but taking them off. Let's see how it takes off. I'm just going to take, this is an eye makeup remover, but you can also use it for lipsticks and your eyebrows because those products tend to be a little bit, you know. This one is Date Night. Really beautiful chocolate foxy brown lipstick, but it's not too chocolate to where it looks a different color. Wrist is this brown one here. I've never seen a brown like this before. It's pretty. See how the payoff is like consistent, like no blotches. So Date Night, I'm gonna put this aside on the other side because this is like my favorite one. Look at this color. Who has a brown lipstick like this? Let me know. Who has a brown like this? Look at this. And it's clean and it's vegan. Hold up. Pretty bomb. And they're $17 each. Same as a MAC lipstick. Actually less. Probably because MAC be going up. But look at it. And of course, you can layer as much as you want. You don't have to use as much as I use. I'm heavy-handed with my product. I want to remove it. I really love this lip. So pretty. And this is a honest opinion. I'm always going to be honest because no matter if it's free, if it's sent, whatever, I respect my subscribers. So I respect them in their pockets. I've always been a 9-to-5 hard worker, okay? I've had jobs where I'm like, you know what? I'm out 4 or 5 seconds from walking out. Well, this is honest. This is honest. Most definitely be giving me like foxy brown, 90s baddie. Beautiful, beautiful brown. Never seen a brown like that. I have a few browns, you know. Time for the vampy colors. We all love a good vamp, right? And these colors look so beautiful on women. These are like the feminine fall holiday vampy colors. Like we love it, right? These I'm going to use the actual same lip liner, which is MAC's Night Moth. I pray that she comes out with lip liners because we really need lip liners, especially for darker skin. Like we need more. One step at a time. She's a new brand, okay? You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. I like a little bit off, so I just really want to define my lips. It's practically the same color. This one is Happy Hour, okay? Ooh, now this. She needs to send her lipsticks to Rihanna. I know Rihanna got her own line, but this looks like something that Rihanna would wear. Or Beyonce. Just like that blonde hair and that dark lip. Now this one, for some reason, it glides a little bit more faster, I would say. Same feel. Feels great on the lips. The color payoff is amazing. Look at this lip. And this is her first... It's her first line, her first product. Definitely is vampy. You see how like we have something on our eyes, but like our eyes don't take away from the lips. That's because the lip is truly the star with this cosmetic line. Like she makes bold colors. They're not like your typical nude, your typical pink. She's doing bold colors, and I like that. It's bold. We can't wear certain things by people who don't matter. Wine Down. Ooh, okay, I love wine. I don't have any right now, but I do love wine. This one, oh, I forgot to do the other swatch, but it's okay. This one is going to be like that burgundy deep color that we all love during the holiday. See? Okay. Now, Wine Down. It's a beautiful burgundy shade. This shade is that shade, no shade. This shade is the color you wear to that holiday event, that Thanksgiving living room, a holiday party. Not to mention, these lipsticks are comfortable. My lips feel hydrated, even though it's not a shiny lip color. It's a demi matte. First line. And I've had so many lipsticks. These feel better than my Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. And I love Charlotte Tilbury. We all do, okay? Hello. Hello, my UK girls. We love Charlotte. But this formula in her lipsticks feel amazing. Feel phenomenal. Phenomenal woman. Maya Angelou. Not Maya Angelou. This is that lipstick that when you smile, your smile is going to hit. Oh, what this, why? But it just does. Trust me. I got it on my leg. Oh, I got the swatches on my leg. Color. I'm just loving it. Wow. Honestly, okay, I was expecting good product, but I didn't know it was going to be like this. So I really love it. I love the formula. The colors that she selected, the colors that they'd be like, oh, they don't really look nice on. And she selected a nice range of colors. And that's what I love about a Black woman making a beauty line, a hairline. They understand. They know how our skin tone is, our undertones, our hair, and they always understand and finish the assignment. Love how she wasn't afraid to do bold colors and also to make it clean and vegan. It passed through like a very strict I guess the test that it has to pass to like actually, you know, be considered clean beauty. Like that's so amazing. And she's a new brand. She's starting out with 4 lipsticks. Make sure you guys go over there and check her out. They're $17. Her website, every lip will be linked down below. I will try to link them in order of this video. Denoir Cosmetics. Make sure to go Denoir. First line. So the only thing I would say is like the packaging is to hopefully maybe one day make it magnetic, because I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's mine, but you know, it can kind of come off a little bit. But I would just say, yeah, I would like to see like a magnetic closure, you know, in the future. But she is new. This is her first time. So please go over there and show her some love. And thank you so much for sending these to me and trusting me with your baby, your first brand.
I used to take my